Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PIP on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So here, first opening this place terminal. Now there we need to use this command. So if I write there Python 3 minus minus version. So you can see 3.14.4, this latest version, this already installed in my system. Now with the help of this Python 3.14.4 that I'm going to install the PIP. So here let's use the command sudo then apt install writing there python 3 then minus pip. So this command you need to use there sudo apt install python 3 pip. Press enter, give the password, and now you can see Python 3 pip is now installing, and this all are dependencies. Write there y and press enter. So this is now doing some download process, and now here unpacking total, here you can see the progress. So thereafter let's use the caret command. If I write the pip minus minus version, so you can see 25.11 that install, and this is the location. So if you want to check there where is pip, so write there which pip. Here you can see on this user bin pip. So by following this step, you can easily install the pip inside the Ubuntu 26. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.